Good morning. We're going to get these little feral cats fed, and you guys are going to help me. We've got some right here, and we have some just outside this door right here. Yes, we do. And we're going to get them fed, and that's what we're going to do. You can see that one down there. They're waiting, so let's get them fed. That's right. This little lady, she's my kid. And so is that one right there. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you what's on the menu. We have some pate, we have some gravy, we have some kibbles and bits. Okay, so now that we got all the introductions done, let's get the little fellers fed, huh? That's right. Let's get the little fellers fed. That's right, because they're kids. Yes, they are. And they're just diners. That's right, they're just tiny little babies on the pants. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right there on the pants. That's right. We see a little bum sniffing going on there. That's enough of that stuff. Yes, sir. No bum sniffings. You know the rules. Okay, so let me get this spun in here. We'll grab some bowls and we'll get it going. It's 5 o'clock. The cats woke me up a little bit early this morning. I guess they were hungry. But anyway, it's chilly outside. Yes, it is. Okay, I got that spun up, guys. Let's grab these bowls. Let's grab these bowls. Yes, ma'am. Let's grab these bowls for the fish. Yes, ma'am. That's right. That's right, that's for the guys. So I have this spoon that's just perfect for like a half a cup. So I'm gonna use that spoon to fill up these bowls here. And we'll get these little fellers going here, huh? Yeah, right, on your pants. That's right. Come on, guys. Yeah, right. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, right on your pants. Yeah, right. Come on, guys. We're still filling up bowls. Hold on, we don't want nobody left out here. No, sir. Nobody left out. No way. Nobody's left out in this place. No, sir. No, sir. I'm getting it, Patch. Hold on. Oh. That's my cat saying, "Where's my food, Papas?" Yeah, right. my cat saying? Where's my food, Poppage? That's right, huh? And there's my Miss Quaden. She's over there too. Yes, ma'am. And she's wanting to know where's her food. Oh. Yes, ma'am. I can see there's one of the little fellers left out. I'll grab another bowl. Yeah, I can see there's one of the little fellers left out, so I'll grab another bowl. Okay. That should be enough bowls for all them. Just adding a little food for the fellers outside so it's not so sticky for them. It's a little bit cold outside. I don't think it's freezing, but it's right there. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, like I said, I don't think it's freezing, but it's right there. This is what I look at. Okay, so let's go get those guys outside fed too. Okay. Hey fellas. All right, hi. How we doing? That's right, that Papa's, he's here. Yes, he is. Gonna save my little kitties, huh? Yes, sir. Okay. I really don't know what's going on with the weather, but we've gotten another cold snap in. I don't know why, but we have. Yeah, we've got another cold snap in. Like I said, I'm not really sure why we did, but man, it's not real cold, but it's pretty cold. Just saying. Okay, so let's change this water, huh? You can see the raccoons have been here. Just saying. Yeah, we've gotten a little bit of a cold snap in here, people. So let's go grab some water, and we'll get these little cats some water. Oh, yeah, that's pretty cold. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, that's pretty cold out there. I'll tell you what. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's pretty cold. Whew. Throw away a few of these cans. Get these little kitties some water. I'll go out and plug in my diesel. I'll go in and plug down my diesel, and then I'll let you guys all go. Hey guys, how we doing? Okay, here we go. Okay, so we've got that taken care of. Yes, ma'am. Oh. Okay, peeps. Let's go plug in that diesel. There's my bike right there. Cannondale 6. They call it a Super 6. This one here's got the Dura-Ace and all that. It's the super bike. And yeah, it's the super bike. Oh, it's pretty chilly out here, people. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty chilly out here, peeps. Yes, it is. Okay, the GFI's on. That's where the little cats are. That's my garage. Oh, fuck. Yeah, it's cold. It's been cold for the last two days. Okay. Take my shoes off. Okay, let's shut off the fluorescent lights. Let's get on these LEDs. Start saving some months. Oh shit. Let me give that to Mama. Hold on, peeps. Hey, get that going, okay. Now we'll get some coffee going. And then I got gotta be going. Gotta be getting this house cleaned. I'm working today. Okay. Yeah, we got that taken care of, peeps. Yes, we did. Yeah, we got that taken care of. Yeah, we got the little kitties fed. I've got my my little mama kitty right here. She's looking for some lovin's. I got my Miss Lady right here. I've got Grayson. I got Blackie. Yeah, huh? Yeah, right, huh? Yes, I got Midnight. I got them all. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Let me show you. Yes, sir. That's my mama right there. Yes, sir, yes. Yes, that's the mom. And her belly is just super big. That's right. And that's the way that is. Yes, sir. Say hi to the people. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Well, tell them I'm gonna have some babies. Yes, I am. I'm gonna have some babies and Papa's gonna help me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gordon shakes. Yeah, that's on the bunch. Yep. Now, not all the female cats are like this one. Just this one. She decided that she was gonna come up and meet Papa. Yes, sir. And she did. Yes, ma'am. So I don't know where we're gonna have the kitties, but I'll have to keep my eyes out and make sure I get on top of it because it's been cold. That's why I cut the hole in the door in the first place. There was a mother out there and it was just about to turn cold. I didn't want to, So I went down to the store and cut that door in. So just in case, She eventually had them inside, but I never knew that. Yeah, huh? When he shakes, huh? It's okay, Peter Pants on the bunch. That's right. That's my cat. She just came in from outside. It's cold out there. Ugh. Yeah, my little mother, she's just sitting there purring. Yeah, right. That's right. Yeah, sure. That's right. On the bunch, dear, and there's the babies. And her just sitting right here getting some lovins. Yes, she is. Say hi, honey. Yes, sir. Say hi to the kids. Yes, sir. Oh, she's got a big belly. There's little Dora right there. Yes, sir. We got the little kids right here on the pants. Yes, we do. Yes, she is. Ugh. Boy, she's got the sharpest claws you ever seen in your life. Okay, well, I'm going to set her down and let you guys all go. You guys have a great day out there. Be safe. Well, I'll stay in touch. Peace out, man.